In efforts to bring you guys better and more content, every time I work on the cars now, I think I'm gonna start recording because we gotta work on the BRZ a little bit today just to make her a little bit prettier, put the front grille back on, fix some body kit things, and just talk to you guys and have a little hangout sesh, if you know what I'm saying. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. It's kind of hot, it's kind of cloudy, not the most pretty day, but we got some stuff we got to do to the car today. So after driving around for like a week and a half without a front grille, I decided the car needs a front grille. It doesn't look that good without it. I was deciding if I was going to paint it or not, and I don't think I'm going to because I don't think it's going to look good, so we're not going to. Also, my side skirts are starting to fall off. So we gotta put those back on, and I thought, why not just like bring you guys along, record a little bit, because the more content, the merrier, or at least that's what I get told. As I said in the beginning, I do want to make more of an effort to try to record a little bit more for you guys because I do work on my cars quite a bit, and I don't record anything I do. And that's something that I kind of want to get out of the habit of doing because I want to show you guys more and be more transparent of what I'm doing with the car. Instead of saying, oh, I did this, oh, I did that, I kind of want to show you guys what I did opposed to just doing it and not showing you guys. So I'm going to try to have the camera out a lot more often, even if I'm doing a small thing like today. I'm just putting things back together. But I think it's one of those things that I kind of just want to show you guys that I'm doing stuff, and I don't know, to me it means something. And today is one of those days that I really wish I was working on the Civic, but again, that bolt is giving me hard times, and it sucks because I can't work on the Civic because of one bolt. I hate it. I also really need to start working out issues like this with my bumper popping out because that doesn't look good at all. The whole front of the car just, it does look incomplete, so we're gonna be fixing this as well. And then if you go to the side, that's not really on there anymore, so we have a couple things we need to start fixing up today. And an issue is we have a serious case of the bumper sag going on with this car, which I'm gonna have to fix eventually. I just don't know how because I really didn't want to have to do quick releases, but I think all in all I'm gonna have to do quick releases because I think that's the only way to actually fix bumper sag. So now I'm gonna put the bumper insert back in, the grill, I don't know why I called it a bumper insert. I guess that's what it is called. So I'm gonna try my best to really secure it in there because we've had troubles in the past with it not being secured. So we're gonna see what we can do. So pretty much this bumper's set up through all these little tabs going around it. And I don't know what happened, and I'm gonna try to show you, but on this side, they look a little bit chewed, and that's where my main issues have been coming from. Like this John and this John just don't look as pristine as they used to, which I don't know what happened, but I'm not really happy about that. But we're gonna try, and you can even see on the bumper, on the grill itself, it just doesn't look the best. I'm gonna try my hardest to get it secured, but I'm not even like getting too like promised that it's gonna work out that well. So pretty much I just went around and made sure everything was in there super tight as I could possibly get it. And then I went to the corners that I found are the most problematic, got some double-sided sticky tack, and I melted it on there. So hopefully it doesn't come loose anymore, and hopefully it can stay like secure. Now I'm gonna go to the side skirt before I put the bumper on because I still don't really put the bumper on yet because I'm lazy. And see if I can secure the thing on more because sometimes it just doesn't want to stick on. And I'm afraid when I'm going down the highway, because I'll show you the angle which I'm looking at, it looks really bad. I'm afraid it's gonna fly off because I know when it gets windy, it kind of flexes a bit. And if that flew off, I'd be very upset about it. Now something I found out about is it looks like all the original sticky tack that was actually on these side skirts came off, and that's why it flexes so bad. So what I did was I just kind of started it from here, put another tack like from right here, put another one up here, and it seems to be holding better. I'm gonna put another one on the other side of here just so it doesn't flex at all, because I don't want it to flex at all because then it comes off. But these side skirts don't look too bad anymore. Yeah, we got some gapping issues, but unless you're really looking for it, I feel like that's something people don't really notice unless you're watching my channel, and now you're gonna point it out if you ever see my car in person, which is kind of unfortunate. But at the same time, I mean, just don't be a hater, man. And I would say that looks pretty good. Hopefully it's strong enough and secure enough that it won't move. Realistically, I should just take all of this off and then go here all the way on the other side and take all these off and just redo them completely just so they're super good. But I'm lazy. Also, if I can't get this stupid bolt done on my Civic, I'm about to be ordering mad parts for the BRZ, because some things I just want to get done. One thing on the front, one thing on the back, and then I just need to get the Civic done. I think I'm actually going to take the Civic to a shop to see if they can just like break loose the bolt, just so it gives me some like easier time to do it, because that definitely just made sense what I was doing. But if they can just break it loose so I can just and then retighten it, that means I'll be able to do it, because right now it's not happening. One of my biggest complaints with this bumper of all time is one side will like always, you know, look pretty decent, and then you come around this side, it's got a little bit of gapping, but it's not too bad. But this hole shouldn't need any force to be there. Why is this bumper like this? Because it's the worst design I've ever seen, because it never meshes up correctly. So now I have to do the fun job of taking this bumper on and off like 16 times just to line it up, and I don't even know what's causing it to be so misaligned. It's stupid and I hate it, but this bumper just looks so good, but it just doesn't fit right ever, and I don't know what the reason is. I'm gonna go on a limb. The BRZ looks way better now that it's actually all put together. I got the bumper on as best as I could, but just for you BRZ owners, you're always gonna have some gapping, because these clips are absolutely terrible and these bumpers don't like to stay on. It's pretty decent, but I think I want to get quick release tabs like right here, same on the other side, so we can stop the sagging. But another thing that I have now is, you can see this side fits good. For some reason, it wants to gap over here. I don't know why it does this, but it doesn't like me. So it's unfortunate, but it's also nice that we got the side skirts looking good again, because they're not falling off and oof. I'm going fishing tomorrow. I'm bringing this car. I have a feeling that the front grille is going to be popped in again. I hope it's not, but chances are it's going to be. And all the work I did today would be a complete waste of time, and that'll be upsetting. I've been seeing a big meme on BRZs lately about the door not wanting to stay open. And of course when I show you, it stays open. But a lot of times you open the door, it just doesn't want to stay open. Maybe it was only in the last notch. I'm killing this meme right now. As I said before, I'm gonna try to start making it a point to bring my camera every time I work on my car. Yeah, it might not be the best content, but I feel like it's more transparent content, and it's more stuff of like, I just wanna make content and I have fun doing it, and I don't do it enough, and I only do it when I have big things to do, and I don't think that's right if I wanna like make it in the YouTube thing. But I'm gonna try to start bringing out my camera way more often, and every time I do a small thing, we just have like a little hangout. So it's like we're best friends and we're hanging out with each other, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to make it a point to start bringing my camera out a lot more, just when I'm doing small things. Like today, I wasn't gonna record this today, and I just wanted to be like, I need to fix my front grille, I need to fix the side skirt, I'm just gonna do it and that's it. But I think it's more fun if I bring out the camera, because it kind of makes me think harder about it and harder about how I want to do things. And I don't know, maybe you guys like these kinds of videos. If you guys do like these kinds of videos, please let me know, because I can make more of them, because I'm always out here working on the cars. Update on the Civic, still not doing much because of the one bolt. I'm pretty sure I'm going to take it to the shop because it's stressing me the freak out, and just to see if they can get that bolt. If they can't get that bolt, I'm gonna, I guess, have to cut it, which is unfortunate because I don't have to do that because it's a lot of work, but we might have to. But you know, get the car done or started or whatever we want to do, it might be a necessary step. I have no clue how long this video is again. I never know how long my videos are, but I hope this wasn't too short, because I like to aim to make my videos 10 minutes or longer, because 1, YouTube likes that stuff, 2, watch time, baby, and 3, I don't really have a third reason. But if there's any kind of content you guys want to see me do, please let me know and I'll try to cater to you guys, because I'm starting to get to that stage of I don't give a shoot about anything, and I'll just do the things because why not? I can fix it if something goes wrong. I feel like I've got enough knowledge at this point that if something goes wrong, I can mostly fix it for the most part. But if you guys want to see me do anything, or any mods or any types of videos or anything you guys want me to explain, please comment down below. I think I'm going to leave you guys off here because I've done my ranting. I did the car stuff. I don't think I have anything else to talk about or do today. So if you guys could please do me a few things, comment, like, and subscribe. Those are huge, because we're trying to get monetized, baby, because your boy needs some money for the cars, because paying rent and like having other bills, it's hard to work on cars, especially when you're trying to save some money. But yeah, guys, comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Keep doing you. Stay motivated, guys, because I'm trying my darndest to do that. Stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.